Hi everyone. So the link above this video took you to this article about book widgets and digital exit tickets for teachers. This is just one example of like a place where you can make exit tickets and just make them a little bit more engaging, a little bit more interactive, especially for our virtual world. So if you scroll down, it has this whole article about benefits, whatever, but how to use the exit tickets that you find below, and if you have like a book widget site, but that's, you know, super unnecessary. If you have one that you like, so for instance, like what sticks, not exactly an exit ticket because you're not really like assessing the objective, but you know, could be good. Problem solution. I'm just gonna click on this one to save you time. All right, so for this one, yes, we can write right on it, and yes, we can send it to like students through this book widgets thing, but I would use this as just an image. You could snip it, and you can put it in whatever platform you already use, ClassKick, SmartSuite, Nearpod, whatever it is that you are choosing to utilize. And it's just a great warehouse of ideas in this website. So use them as you will. You aren't obviously required to do a whole book widget sign-in thing. All right, awesome. Thanks a lot.